Hey, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change blogger theme color. First of all, I'm going on layout, then again click on theme designer. Advanced, click on advanced, then click on this one. Wow, it's already changed. Then if you click on transparent, it's hide, but I am not interested this one. Then header background, if you want to change this one here, just click on this one. This is not perfect, then I want to select customs. Wow, this is really good. Then scroll down, menu color, I want to change menu color to another one. Wow, this is good. So this is method, you can change any color here. So I want to go on another one, background, just scroll down, main theme color. So I want to convert it this one. This look like very good, but you can choose anyone, this doesn't matter, this is same way. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.